Jake, an aspiring entrepreneur, sits at his home office desk, staring at a blank notebook. He imagines himself running a thriving affiliate review site that generates passive income. This dream is vivid, but the path is unclear. Jake resolves to translate ambition into reality, methodically sketching his plan. Jake brainstorms niches. He researches trending topics, profitable markets, and his personal interests. He weighs technology gadgets, beauty products, and outdoor gear. After days of analysis using tools such as Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers, Jake settles on smart home devices, a niche with rising demand and plenty of affiliate programs. Jake considers WordPress for flexibility and scalability. He browses domain names, seeking options that are catchy, memorable, and relevant to his niche. He registers smarthomeairviewhub.com and purchases hosting with a reputable provider. Initial setup follows, installing WordPress and selecting a fast, professional theme tailored for reviews. Jake maps out site architecture. The homepage will feature an overview and highlight top reviews. He plans distinct categories: security devices, voice assistants, smart lighting, for easy navigation. Each product review will include pros and cons, pricing, user ratings, and affiliate links. Jake drafts a content calendar, aiming for bi-weekly reviews and monthly buying guides. Jake delves into Amazon Associates, Best Buy, and individual manufacturer programs. He reads terms, studies commission structures, and registers for several. He creates tracking spreadsheets to organize program IDs, earnings, and performance metrics. With affiliate links ready, Jake is prepared to add monetization to his site. Jake crafts his first reviews, blending technical accuracy with engaging storytelling. He is honest, detailing real-world usage, outlining who the product suits, and including comparison charts. Photography and screenshots enrich content. Jake adds clear calls to action, buttons inviting readers to click for the best deal. Jake studies search engine optimization fundamentals. He targets specific keywords, optimizes meta titles and descriptions, compresses images for speed, and installs plugins for performance tracking. Each review is tailored to rank for best smart home device and related terms. Internal linking ensures readers discover more content, increasing engagement. After publishing 5 cornerstone reviews and a buying guide, Jake unveils his site. He shares it on niche forums, Facebook groups, and Twitter. He reaches out to bloggers for guest post opportunities and submits to directories. Jake monitors analytics, celebrating initial organic traffic and click-throughs. Jake solicits feedback, adding FAQs and comparison tables based on reader questions. He responds to comments, building community. He earns early credibility by disclosing affiliate relationships and delivering unbiased insights, prioritizing long-term trust. Jake sets goals: 10 reviews per month, outreach to industry influencers, and newsletter launch. He experiments with YouTube review videos and Instagram posts. Over time, as rankings improve and commissions grow, Jake's site matures into a respected resource for smart home enthusiasts. Jake regularly audits his content, updates reviews for new product launches, and enhances site speed. He explores new affiliate programs and refines his strategy. His journey, from vision to execution, is ongoing, driven by curiosity, honesty, and the pursuit of value for his readers. Jake leans back as new affiliate earnings arrive, reflecting on how disciplined planning and constant adaptation made his affiliate review site a successful business. With a structured approach, anyone can launch, grow, and succeed in affiliate review marketing.